Ever wonder why it's easier to bounce back after taking time off from the gym? The secret lies in the fascinating science of muscle memory. Muscle memory is the body's ability to remember previous training adaptations, allowing muscles to regain size and strength faster after a period of inactivity. This isn't just a psychological phenomenon. It's deeply rooted in cellular and neurological mechanisms. When you train, your muscle fibers grow through a process called hypertrophy, where they increase in size and strength. Skeletal muscle cells are unique because they are multinucleated, meaning each muscle cell contains multiple nuclei. These nuclei, called myonuclei, are responsible for synthesizing the proteins needed for muscle growth. Even after you stop training, the myonuclei remain in your muscle cells, ready to kickstart the rebuilding process when you resume exercise. This reserve of myonuclei allows for faster recovery and growth. Studies have shown that myonuclei remain in muscle fibers for months or even years after periods of disuse, forming the biological foundation of muscle memory. Strength training enhances the communication between your brain and muscles, improving neuromuscular efficiency. When you return to training, your nervous system can quickly re-establish these pathways, enabling better coordination and faster strength gains. So the question is, can you rebuild muscle faster after a break? Yes. Muscle memory enables your body to rebuild muscle mass and regain strength more quickly compared to someone starting from scratch. When you start exercising again, the dormant myonuclei immediately activate, ramping up protein synthesis and promoting hypertrophy. Your body remembers how to perform exercises, so you can quickly lift heavier weights with proper form. Muscle memory reduces the time needed for your muscles to adapt to stress, making progress faster. How does muscle memory differ? Muscle memory is influenced by several key factors. Duration of the break significantly impacts recovery. Short breaks of a few weeks typically result in minimal muscle loss because myonuclei and neuromuscular pathways remain intact. However, longer breaks of several months or years lead to more noticeable atrophy. Although myonuclei still support faster regrowth compared to untrained individuals. Age also plays a role. Younger individuals often regain muscle faster due to higher levels of growth hormones and better recovery capacity, while older adults experience slower progress, though muscle memory still remains effective. The intensity of previous training is another critical factor, as rigorous training builds stronger foundations for muscle memory. Finally, nutrition and recovery are essential. Sufficient protein intake, proper hydration, and quality sleep optimize the body's ability to rebuild and regain lost muscle efficiently. So how can you maximize muscle rebuilding after a break? Rebuilding muscle after a break requires a strategic and patient approach. Start gradually, as muscle memory helps with regrowth, but overloading your muscles too soon can lead to injuries. Increase intensity progressively to allow your muscles and joints to adapt safely. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, as they work multiple muscle groups simultaneously and stimulate efficient regrowth. Prioritize protein intake. aiming for 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily to support muscle protein synthesis and recovery. Incorporate progressive overload by steadily increasing weights, repetitions, or training volume to keep challenging your muscles and encouraging growth. Most importantly, consistency is key. Regular workouts reinforce neuromuscular connections, maintain myonuclear activation, and ensure steady progress. Why muscle memory matters? Muscle memory is more than a fitness buzzword. It's a testament to the body's adaptability and efficiency. Whether you're returning after a short hiatus or years away, understanding the science of muscle memory can help you approach training with confidence and patience. Muscle memory ensures that your hard-earned gains are never truly lost. With the right training, nutrition and recovery, you can rebuild strength and size faster, proving that it's never too late to get back in shape.